Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to this 10-minute yoga for energy class. So do make sure you have plenty of space to practice. Know that you can practice from a chair or from a seated base like myself. Do you have anything to hand that you might need to support your body? And you might need a couple of bricks, for example, and also that you're nicely hydrated for the class, and we shall begin. So come to a comfortable seated position and press the palms of the hands together. We'll begin with the vibration of Om. Taking a breath in. Om. Lightly resting the hands down. Take a moment to tune in to how the body feels. And checking in with your mind and your emotions as you feel a deep connection with the breath. Aware of your energy levels, low, high, somewhere in the middle. And then taking a deeper breath in. And exhale, gently open the eyes. So from here, we'll make our way through to an all-fours position. If you're in the chair, you'll bring your hands to rest on your lap and just slide your sitting bones a bit further back in your chair. So we're going to work into a cat-cow combination, but we'll begin with a nice easy sway from side to side. So just make sure the hands are underneath the shoulders. Take an inhale. Exhale, and just begin to sway the hips from side to side. If we're in the chair, it will be the knees. Then move from side to side with the hands lightly on the kneecaps. So finding the breath, inhaling, exhaling, drawing the shoulders back. Just seeing how the hips feel as we take this journey into energy, yoga for energy. Coming back to center on the inhale, exhale. So from here, optional toe tuck or not, see how you feel, gives a nice boost of energy through the back of the toes. So from here, inhale, belly dips, shoulders draw back, gaze lifts. On the exhale, tuck the tailbone round the back, all the way back to the heels. If you're in the chair, you'll draw the toes up. Inhale, so toes towards the shins is the alternative. And exhale as you round back. Good, we've got one more. Inhale, try and keep the heels on the vertical. And exhale. This time as you sink back into extended child, just pause there, breathe. Feel that energy boost up the back of the toes. And then inhale, come through to a neutral. Tabletop, exhale, release the toes. Inhale, walk the hands back until you're in a high kneeling position. If you're in the chair, you'll just sit tall. Exhale. From here, inhale, swoosh the arms up, lift the chest. Exhale as you bring the arms back and down. So opening through the shoulders. Good. Inhaling to lift the sternum. Exhale as you circle back. And again, inhale. If this bothers the shoulders, keep the circle small and level with the shoulders. Exhale. From this position, inhale, come back through to tabletop position. Exhale. Tuck the toes under, nicely prepared for our downward dog with the toes. Inhale and exhale back to Ardha Mukha Svanasana. Let the head dangle. Inhale. Exhale, just begin to lift and lower the heels, walking the dog. If you're in the chair, you might stand towards the back of the chair, hands on the chair. Or you can extend your legs forward and peel your toes back and begin to fold forward over your thighs. Wherever you are, whatever shape you're making, keep breathing. An option is to reach back, firming the muscles of the legs. Coming to a static downward dog. And then from this position, bend the knees up onto the toes. If you're on the floor, inhale, walk the feet towards the hands. Exhale. Inhale, lift the chest, hands to shins. And then exhale to fold over the legs. Inhale, press through the heels as you rise all the way up. And exhale, arms to the sides of the body. So moving into Surya Namaskar A, or Sun Salute, which can be nicely done from the chair. So inhale, scoop the arms up. Exhale, fold all the way down or over the knees. Inhale, lift the chest. Remember, hands can slide up the legs. You can also bend your knees. Good. Exhale, step back into a plank position or a knees down plank, whichever suits, and lower through chaturanga, draw the elbows in. Inhale to lift, might be a baby cobra, a higher cobra, or an upward dog. And exhale, push back into a downward dog. Reconnect with your breath. Feel the prana beginning to flow, the energy beginning to flow. Then inhale, bring your left heel in to the mat to look forward. Exhale, step through between the hands, bringing the right foot forward. From this position, inhale, lift up, coming into warrior two. Exhale as you rebend the front knee. Good. From this position, inhale, lift the arms up, so palms face. And just turn your belly forward. So rather than over the knee, turn the belly forward. So you can feel the opening through the hip. If you're in the chair, you'll make the same space on the chair. Know your arms can be here, so they don't have to be all the way up. Good. Breathing and feeling. Now from here, squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale, pivot now to face the right knee. Pivot on the back foot so you come more into a crescent moon lunge. Good. Exhale. From here, exhale again and swim the arms back and interweave the fingers at the sacrum or the lower back. Roll the shoulders forward. Inhale, lift the chest. Breathe, lift across the sternum. Good. And then from here, release the hands. Inhale, squeeze the pelvic floor. Take your weight forward and see if you can lift your left knee up. Bring the hands into a prayer position. If you fall out, don't worry. Just start again, no problem. Exhale, cross the left leg over the right as we come into Garudasana or eagle legs. Press the palms of the hands together. So feel that squeeze through the lower body. Nice energy boost. And then inhale, unravel the legs, step back into crescent moon. And exhale, bring the hands down, step back into plank or knees down plank and lower through chaturanga. Inhale into lift, back bend of choice. Good. Exhale, push back into downward dog. Even out the breath. So I'll change direction so I can still see you. So we're going to change sides. Inhale, bring the right heel in. Exhale, step through to Virabhadrasana B. Inhale, push through the front heel. Exhale. Relax the shoulders, lift the chest, find the breath. So again, turn the body forwards. Inhale, you have the option to lift the arms up. Good, keep lifting through the back inner thigh, push into the back heel. Keep the breath regular and even. Feel the energy beginning to mount in this practice. And then inhale, pivot so you face the left knee. Exhale, come onto the ball of the back foot if that's suitable. Again, you can step forward if you're in the chair just with the left leg, recreate the shape. From here, exhale, take the arms back. And again, interweave the fingers. If that's too much, you can bring heels of the hands into the sacrum. Roll the shoulders forward, lift the sternum. Find the breath. Good. Doing really well. Keep weighting that front heel. Feel this transition. Use Mula Bandha or your pelvic floor. Release the hands. Inhale, shift forward. See if you can lift the right knee up. Exhale, you can stay there. You might cross over. You might cross again for Garudasana legs. Squeeze the inner thighs towards each other. Press the palms of the hands into Anjali Mudra. Stay happy. Keep breathing. Good. And then unravel. Come back into the crescent moon. Swing the arms up. Inhale. Exhale. Fold forward. Step back into the plank. Now hold the plank as you arrive. So remember, knees can be down. Knees down is fine. Otherwise, squeeze the glutes. Lift the back of the knees. Push out of the shoulder blades. Feeling the strength and energy of the body. And then from here, inhale, if you can come through to seated. Very good. And exhale, slide the legs out in front of you. You pause for a moment in Dandasana, hands by the side of the hips. Sit nice and tall. That's it. Active toes. Very good. From here, inhale, walk the heels in. Might come up onto the toes or keep the heels down. See what's best. Press the hands into the shins and then inhale. See if you can go hands free, palms facing. So just a preliminary version of Navasana. So now you can stay here. If you wish, you can lift the legs up. That's it, parallel with the floor. You might even take it to straight leg version, see what feels best. Good, keep breathing. And then exhale, bring the legs down. Bring the soles of the feet together. Take hold of the shins or the ankles as we come into Baddha Konasana. Inhale as you lift the chest forward, maybe look up. And then exhale as you round the back. Let me do this once more. Inhale to come forward. And exhale to round. And inhale, sit towards the upright. Cross the legs. Half lotus or full lotus, your choice. If you're in the chair, you might just step the legs nice and wide. Wrap the arms behind the back for Baddha Padmasana. Take the elbows or the toes if you're in a lotus position. Inhale. Exhale and just begin to fold forward. And know that this pose is also called Yoga Mudra. It seals all the energy we've created from the practice. If it's comfortable for you, you might fold all the way down, forehead towards the floor. Or you might be somewhere on any of these gradations. See how you feel. If crossing the legs doesn't work, then just stretch the legs out. Focus on the breath. And then squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale as you come up. Exhale. Bring the palms of the hands together. Take a breath in. Gently bow the head as we give thanks for our health and our practice. Namaste. So thank you for practicing with me. If you enjoyed this 10-minute session on energy, then do hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel. And I hope to see you on the mat very soon.